This is the Professor's DuBois with a Blackboard tutorial just for you. Blackboard is the learning management system used by SUNY Oneonta. In this video, we will show you how to access all of the features that we will be using in general chemistry, including the syllabus, course materials, your gradebook, and the discussion boards, all of which we will use throughout the semester. Once you open Blackboard, your courses will be listed on the right. Make sure the correct semester is open. After selecting the course, you will see the home page. We primarily use the links on the left-hand side of the screen. The location of the syllabus is clearly marked. If you have any questions about the course, please check the syllabus first. You should read this document thoroughly prior to the start of classes and review it throughout the semester. The gradebook can be found under Tools. After selecting Tools, go to My Grades. Our exams are given on Fridays, and we understand how important your grades are to you, so we will post your scores here so that you can view them over the weekend. We'll return the exams the following Monday. Another very important link on the left is Class Materials. Here you will find all materials handed out in class, as well as additional information and links that we feel are worth sharing. Notice that we provide you with previous exams to help you study. Realize that your exam will not match the previous exam. Go back to Class Materials and select any chapter to see the summary packet provided for that chapter, as well as any practice sheets. Hard copies will be available outside of our offices. The final link that we want to share with you today is the discussion board. 4 forums have been created to organize your questions into lecture, lab, MindTap, and helpful information. To post a question, select the appropriate forum and select Create Thread. Here, you can type a detailed question. You can also subscribe to the forum to get notifications. We will check the discussion boards daily, but encourage you to answer your peers' questions. If you need help with a problem, post a picture of your work so that we, or your peers, can see where you're having trouble. We will post some questions and answers on the discussion board in advance so you can get a feel for how it works. Thanks for watching the Professor's DuBois channel. We hope this Blackboard video was useful.